So in this demonstration, we'll look at the control flow task within integration services. So what I'm going to do to demonstrate the control flow task is first thing I'll do is I'll right-click and I'll choose my Variables tab. I'm going to create a new variable, and I'll go ahead and pin this right here. I'll create a new variable. I'll call it count. And now, from my toolbox, I'm going to add my script control flow task. And I'll specify this script will be for read-only variable, or actually let's say read-write, because it'll just show there's my user count. I'll say OK. I'm going to edit the script. Now, within integration services, control flow is often referred to as executables. Generally, within an ETL solution, in control flow, it's not doing the ETL most often. Your data flow task, which is a control flow task, it gets a bit confusing. The data flow is what provides the ETL, the extract, transform, and load. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw up a message box, show method that says your count is, and I'm going to concatenate my DTS variables count. I want to show the value variables. There we go. And I'll convert it to a string. And I'll go ahead and say OK. And then, well, you know what? I'm just going to copy this task. I'll open my task. I'll edit it. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to reassign a value, reset the value. In my C# script, I'll say now take that DTS variable and set the value equal to, instead of 0, I'll say 100. So within my code, I'll call my DTS variables. And I'm going to call it by the index value of 0 instead of typing it out. Value is equal to 100. After the assignment, then I'll call my message box again. I'll say OK. I'll right-click. We'll execute the package. First, my very first script task runs, and it shows your count is 0. Next, second script task run. It says the count is 100. So in this demonstration, we looked at working with our control flow task within an integration services package.